The ocean sings, the sun ignites, your mercy glows in golden lights. The waves arise, the sky is clear, your spirit moves, I feel you near. My heart awakes, my soul takes flight, grace is dancing in the light. I lift my hands, I shout your name, the sea and sky declare your fame. And every tide repeats the sound. Your endless love is all around. Waves of glory crashing wide, lifting hearts on every tide. Every beat, every shore sings your name forevermore. Waves of glory rise again, pouring love on every land. Every song, every sea flows with you eternally. Waves of glory. The palm trees sway, the colors glow, your presence shines in undertow. The crowd unites, the night turns gold, your faithfulness forever told. The rhythm burns, the world is new, creation lifts its hands to you. Our joy resounds across the sand, your kingdom here, your promised land. The heavens roar, the oceans sing. All creation praising King. Waves of glory crashing wide, lifting hearts on every tide. Every beat, every shore sings your name forevermore. Waves of glory rise again, pouring love on every land. Every song, every sea flows with you eternally. Waves of glory. You calm the storm, you light the skies, your power lifts our weary eyes. Every tear becomes the rain that brings the world to life again. Waves of glory shining bright, turn the dark to purest light. Every heart, every sea worships you eternally. Waves of glory never end, every soul will rise again. Every song, every shore praises you The tide will turn, the stars will see, your waves of glory carry me. Ooh. The stars ignite across the sky, your glory shines, I can't deny. The night is full, the heavens sing, my soul is wild for everything. The rhythm flows, the crowd's alive, your spirit moves, our hearts revive. In every light, in every sound, your endless mercies all around. I feel your fire start to grow. the drums of faith, the beats collide. Your power burns from deep inside. The wind of grace, the sparks of love, they rain like stars from up above. The crowd lifts high, the shining hands. Your presence fills the desert lands. And now your love consumes it all. I rise again, I hear your call. Eternal fire, burning bright, lighting up our hearts tonight. Every soul, every flame dances wildly in your name. Eternal fire, pure and true, all our praise belongs to you. Every spark, every cry lifts our worship to the sky. You're the flame, never fades through the dark. Your light remains, my heart's alive, forever yours. Your grace ignites what time restores. Eternal fire, burning bright, we are one in holy light. Every heart, every soul burns with joy you made whole. Eternal fire, never dies, fills the earth and lights the skies. Every spark, every cry roars your glory The night is gone, the dawn is higher. We're alive in eternal fire. The grass sways slow beneath the sky. The golden wind is passing by. The sunlight hums a tune so mild. I feel the calm, the earth's own child. The echoes call from far away, of dreams we lived, of brighter days. I breathe it in, I let it stay. The fields remember what I say. The world turns soft, my heart turns clear. The sound of peace is all I hear. In the echo fields I roam, every breeze becomes my home. Every shadow, every hue sings of life, both old and new. In the echo fields I stay, time and fear just fade away. Every sound, each memory flows like rivers back to me. The air is warm, the light is slow. The flowers sway where soft winds blow. let my spirit go inside. Every note, each subtle tone reminds me I was never alone. In the echo fields I roam, every breeze becomes my home. Every step, each melody is the sound of harmony. In the echo fields I stay, night and dawn both fade to gray. Every dream, each memory flows forever back to me. The day will fade, the sky will heal, but I remain in echo fields. The ocean hums, the night is deep. The stars above begin to weep. The waves are soft, they call my name. I let them take me all the same. The moonlight glows on silver tides, where endless peace and hope collide. My soul drifts out beyond the sea, inside this endless tidal dream. And I can feel the water's tone, it tells me I am not alone. Tidal dream, carry me to the heart of open sea. Every breath, every hue feels alive and born anew. Tidal dream, soft and slow, guide me where the currents go. Every light, every gleam pulls me deeper in the dream. The wind begins its gentle song. The world feels right, I still belong. The surface glows, the depths are clear. I lose my doubts, I lose my fear. I hear the rhythm through the phone, a quiet voice that feels like home. I close my eyes and drift unseen inside the calm of this marine. The sea, it whispers through my veins, releasing me from all my chains. Tidal dream, carry me to the heart of open sea. Every breath, every hue feels alive and born The night is bright, the stars align. I feel your fire inside of mine. Every heartbeat sings your name. You light the dark, you burn the same. The rhythm moves, the sky ignites. Your glory shines in flashing lights. The crowd lifts up, the heavens sing. The sound of freedom echoing. And I can feel your love arise. It's pouring down like endless skies. Hearts in light, we're shining now. Faith and fire won't back down. Every soul begins to glow. In your grace we overflow. Hearts in light, forever free. Dancing through eternity. Every beat, every cry lifts our praise into the sky. The dawn breaks through, the day is near. I feel your truth, erase my fear. Your presence moves from heart to heart. Creation sings, you are the start. The sound of joy, the crowd unites. Our souls ignite in endless light. We raise our hands, we shout your name. Forever loved, we won't be the same. The world awakens with your sound. Your glory reigning all around. Hearts in light, we're shining now. Faith and fire won't back down. Every soul begins to glow. In your grace we overflow. Hearts in light, forever free. Dancing through eternity. Every beat, every cry lifts our praise into the sky. Oh, we are light in your design. Every breath divine. Oh, you lift us high. We're glowing in your endless light. Hearts in light, we're shining now. Nothing can hold us down. Every step, every sound shakes the heavens all Hearts in light, we come alive. In your name we'll always rise. Every beat, every cry burns like fire across the sky. Hearts in light, forever shine. Your love eternal, pure divine. The stars align above my heart. I feel your peace in every part. The quiet hum, the gentle wind reminds me who I am within. Your light breaks through the darkest sea, a whispered truth that carries me. Every shadow starts to cease. I stand beneath your light of peace. I close my eyes and breathe you in. The storm is gone, new life begins. Light of peace, shine on me. Calm the waves, set me free. Every fear, every tear gentle flame, a guiding hand. You lift me up, you help me stand. The sky unfolds, the stars awake. The dawn is coming through the haze. The world is still, the heart believes. Your mercy flows through all my dreams. And in the calm, I hear you say, my child, the night will fade away. Light of peace, shine on me, calm the waves, set me free. Every fear, every tear fades away when you are near. Light of peace, strong and true, all my hope returns to you. Every breath, every release lives inside your light of peace. You're in the stars, you're in the sea. Your presence flows inside of me. I let go, I surrender all. Your voice becomes my every call. Light of peace, lead me home. I am yours, I'm not alone. Every trial, every pain melts away within your name. Light of peace, endless grace, shining love on every place. Every soul, every heart finds its rest where you are. The night grows still, the stars release. The world is held in light of peace. The night is bright, your love shines through. The stars align because of you. The heavens sing, the crowd lifts high. Your glory lights the midnight sky. The rhythm beats, my heart's awake. The chains are gone, the ground will shake. I raise my hands, I shout your name. Forever free, I'll praise the same. Light the fire, let it glow. Let the world and heavens know. Shine forever, holy flame. Every soul will praise your name. Through the dark, through the night, you're mountains, your people rise. We see your glory in our eyes. Shine forever, we are free. Heaven sings in harmony. Every flame, every cry sends your praise across the sky. Shine forever, bright and true. All the light comes back to you. Every star burns your name and makes us whole. Burns your name and makes us whole. The night is done, the dawn will show, but in our hearts, you still glow. The morning breaks, the light returns, the fire of peace within me burns. The night is gone, the shadows fade, new mercy rises unafraid. The gentle wind begins to speak. Your voice is calm, your presence sweet. I lift my hands, I breathe your name. My heart restored, I'm not the same. And every sunrise speaks of grace. I see your love in every place. Grace awakens, shining through. Every breath belongs to you. In the stillness, in the glow, I am yours and this I know. Grace awakened, calm and new. Everything returns to you. Every tear and every scar, healed by who you truly are. The rivers hum, the skies expand. I feel your peace across the land. The world reborn, the colors rise. Your promise paints the morning skies. The warmth of light, the sound of rain renews the soul, removes the pain. I find my faith, I find release inside your endless grace and peace. My heart awakens, I believe. The grace I lost, I now receive. Grace awakens, shining through. Every breath belongs to you. In the stillness, in the glow, I am yours and this I know. Grace awakened, calm and new. Everything returns to you. Every tear and every scar, healed by who you truly are. You lift me higher than the dawn. My fear and doubt are overthrown. The morning hums, my spirit sings. I'm free within your endless wings. Grace awakened, light divine. Your mercy flows through heart and mind. Every soul begins to rise in the warmth of your sunrise. Grace awakened, calm and true. All my days return to you. Every dream, every part lives forever in your heart. dark will fade, my heart renewed by grace you made.